As the fall colors settle on the ground, Vermont enters what they call stick season. It's easy to think that the beauty of nature is gone for the year, but if you take a look around, there is still so much whimsy to be found in what is left behind. The holiday season is upon us, and with it the desire to go out and buy the newest, trendiest decor on the market. But some of the most festive, unique decor could be found right in your own backyard. Supplies that replenish themselves every year. And better yet, no need to find places to store them year-round. They can simply be burned or tossed in the compost or yard waste bin. Some greens might still be found along the leaves. Ferns can hold out for some time. Sumac branches have a lovely, soft, and fuzzy texture to them that makes them more inviting than simply sticks. Just be sure they aren't the poisonous kind. Lilac branches have a warm gray tone to them, and darling buds in shades of purple, and the red of rose hips add a nice pop of color. Grapevines are so very versatile. You can make so many things with them after a nice long soak. Be sure to pop off all the thorns on the rose hips. They can ruin the mood. I am by no means a florist. Really, I just put the flowers in any which way they go. But they don't need to be perfect to make you smile. You don't even need a vase. Anything that can hold water can hold flowers. The table is my favorite place to add festive decorations, but you can decorate a mantle, a bookshelf, or whatever you feel needs a little holiday cheer. For Thanksgiving, this will be just fine. And I could add evergreen branches and perhaps some twinkle lights for Christmas. The decor is always changing because nature is always changing. And that's the magic of it all. Well then, greetings from my bedroom. I usually like to film during the day when my kids are at school, and the lighting's a little better, but I ran out of time, and I have family coming for Thanksgiving, so I just had to rush this ending, and so you get me from my bedroom, brown paneling and all. We haven't quite gotten to the bedroom yet. That'll be another time, but I just wanted to come on real quick to give you whatever news you need right now. And basically Black Friday is coming. Most of my social media already know this, but I am having a big sale on Black Friday for my email list. You can get on my email list at tiffanyleestudios.com. And basically the whole shop is going to be 25% off, and then my email list is going to get an extra 20% off on top of that. So be sure you are on that list so you can get that code if you are wanting Peg Dolls Peggies this year. But yeah, until then, I'll be seeing you soon. Be sure to like and comment and all those things, share. It's really helpful to get me out there and help me start growing this YouTube channel. I really appreciate everybody who has been doing so. And yeah, I will see you soon.